Good day everyone, my name is Jeremy R. Villarreal from BSN22B and today I'm going to report about PDA and wireless devices. Let us know first the objectives for today's discussion. First is to know what is PDA all about. Next is features of PDA. Next is what is wireless devices, and lastly, the advantages and disadvantages of these wireless devices. So what is PDA? PDA is short for Personal Digital Assistant that fits in palm of your hands to help collect such information such as contacts, appointment, files, and programs. PDAs have evolved over the years, beginning with first-generation devices such as Apple Newton. Apple coined the term PDA and Palm Pilot. PDAs have become so powerful that they are sometimes used as laptop or desktop replacement. History of PDA. In 1992, John Salley, the CEO and chairman of Apple, first described the term PDA. The first PDA was Newton Message Pad developed by Apple and introduced in 1992 and became available in 1993. The Newton was a revolutionary product creating entirely new market, and 80,000 units were sold in 1993. So here are the common brands sold PDA. All, Dell, Genius, HP, MWG, O2, Sony Ericsson, Toshiba, Acer, BlackBerry, Fujitsu Siemens, Getak, HTC, Nokia, Palm One, T-Mobile, and iMac. So what are the features of PDA? A PDA is effectively a handheld PC capable of handling all normal tasks of its leather-bound ancestor such as address book, notepad, appointments, diary, and phone list. However, most PDA offer many more applications besides such as spreadsheet, word processor, database, financial management, software, clock, calculator, and games. So what are the features of PDA? A PDA is a handheld device that combines computing, telephone, and networking features. A PDA can function as cellular phone, fax sender, and personal organizer. Unlike portable computers, most PDA began as pen-based using a stylus rather than a keyboard for input. This means that they can also incorporate handwriting recognition features. Some PDA can also react to voice input by using voice recognition technologies. PDAs of today are available in either a stylus or keyboard version. Here are the common problems in PDA and its solution. First is PDA battery drains fast. PDA are powered by alkaline or rechargeable batteries. When the main power runs out of power, an internal backup battery which can be found on most devices will provide short-term power. Next is touchscreen not working. If your touchscreen is unresponsive, try cleaning the screen by wiping it with a clean cloth and restart your device. If this doesn't solve the problem, bring your device to a PDA expert because this might have a problem. As an extra measure, invest a good screen protector also. Next is lack of storage. As with most mobile phones, a lack of storage space on PDA device can be quickly addressed by freeing up the memory, delete unnecessary files, or back them up in the cloud. If your PDA has a memory card slot, consider offloading your excess data of the internal memory to a micro SD card. And lastly, wireless connectivity issues. The initial PDA models were devoid of wireless connectivity features, but wireless connections are now frequent in most PDA devices. Still, some users find it difficult to connect their devices to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. When this happens, a quick restart could solve the problem. If it doesn't, try repairing your connectivity settings by disconnecting or unpairing your device before you try to connect it again. Next is about wireless devices. Wireless technology describes electronic devices that communicate without cords using radio frequency signals. Wireless technology is used in a variety of modern devices to provide convenience and greater mobility, and wireless devices play an important role in voice and internet communications. So what are the examples of wireless devices? Phones, routers, wireless chargers, wireless headsets, wireless webcams, computers, wireless mouse, wireless keyboard, tablet, fax, wireless computer, and USB wireless adapter. So here are the advantages of wireless devices. First is increased efficiency. Improved data communications lead to faster transfer of information within business and between partners and customers. For example, salesperson can remote check stock levels and prices while on sales calls. Next is access and availability. Because of wireless technology allows the user to communicate while on move, you're rarely out of touch. You don't need extra cables or adapters to access office networks. Next is flexibility. Office-based wireless workers can network without sitting at dedicated computers and can continue to do productive work while away from the office. This can lead to a new styles of working such as home working or direct access to corporate data while on customer sites. See more on employees. Next, wireless devices are cost savings. Wireless networks can be easier and cheaper to install, especially in listed buildings or where landlord will not permit the installation of cables. And lastly, to the advantages is new opportunities. Wireless network could allow you to offer new products or services. For example, many airport departure lounges, train stations, hotels, cafes, and restaurants have installed hotspot Wi-Fi services to allow mobile users to connect their equipment to their home offices while traveling. Here are the disadvantages of wireless devices. First is security. Wireless transmission is more exposed to attack by unauthorized users, so you must pay particular attention to the security. Staying secure your wireless system. Next is installation problems. You may experience interference if others in the same building also use wireless technology or where other source of electromagnetic radio interference exists. This could lead to poor communication or, in extreme cases, complete loss of wireless communication. Next is coverage. In some buildings, getting consistent coverage can be difficult, leaving block spots where the signals isn't available. For example, in structures built using steel reinforcing materials, you may find it difficult to pick up the radio frequency used. And lastly, transmission speed. Wireless transmission can be slower and less efficient than wired networks. In larger wireless networks, the backbone network is usually wired or fiber rather than wireless. That is all about PDA and wireless devices. Hope you enjoyed this video.